Now in this problem we have 7 consonants and 4 vowels, and we have to select 3 consonants and 2 vowels out of it, and we have to form the words. After selection we have to form the words. Now since we have to select 3 consonants out of 7, so it is problem of selection. So basically we can write here as selection, problem of selection, and selection is nothing but combination, right? So we have to use the formula of C, and once we select 3 consonants and 2 vowels, then we have to form the words, and to form the words it is nothing but the arrangement, and arrangement is nothing but permutations. So we have to use NPR as well. So first we have to use NCR and then NPR. So let's start solving this problem. So we have to select 3 consonants out of 7, so it can be done in this way, 7C3. And since and is there, logic we have to multiply. We have to select 2 vowels out of 4, so it can be done in 4C2 ways. After this selection we have to check the arrangement, which is NPR. So NPR, what will be NPR here? It will be 3 and 2, 5. Total 5 letters are there, and we have to check arrangement of these 5 letters. So it will be 5P5, right? So let's start solving this. So it will be 7C3, 7 factorial upon 7 minus 3, 4 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial, multiplied by 4 factorial upon 4 minus 2, 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, and 5P5 will be 5 factorial upon 5 minus 5 will be 0 factorial. So 0 factorial is nothing but 1, that we can neglect, and we can keep this 5. Further, let's simplify it. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial we will keep as it is to cancel it, divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial, and here instead of 4 we will keep 3 factorial, 4 into 3 factorial, so that we can cancel it here, and 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, which is 2, 1 we can neglect. 5 factorial, let's keep it as it is as of now, and this is 1, 0 factorial is 1. Cancelling this 4 factorial, 3 factorial here, 2 into 2, 4, and this 4 we can cancel. Now in the denominator we have 1, there are no numbers now, it is 1. So let's solve this further. So it will be the remaining numbers are 7, 6, 5, and this 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 120, so we can keep it aside, and this 7 into 120 into 6, so, or 7 into 6 into 5 into 120, this will be the final calculation. 12 into 6 will be 720, so it will be 7 into 5 into 720, and this 7 into 5 is 35, 35 into 720. Let's do this on side paper. So 72 and 35. So it will be 5 2s are 10, 0, carry 1, 5 7s are 35, and 3 2s are 6. Addition of all these is 2, and here 42. So 2 will be part of answer, 4 is carry. 7 3s are 21, and this 4 is 25. So 2520, and remaining this 0. So it will be, final answer will be 25200. This should be the final answer, which is option C.